Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Fitz. Today's video will be sewing the plain and pattern that we made in the previous video. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now this is the main dress. We have the down parts, the sleeve and the belt. So guys, the first thing I'll do is to cut out for the neckline what I'll use to turn it. So I'm going to place it on these pieces of fabric and cut out a turnover for it. So I'll just fold it like so. This is the back neckline first. I'm going to cut both for the front neckline and for the back neckline because it's not having a lining. If you're using a lining, you will just have to cut exactly same thing and then turn it. So since we're not using a lining, I will go ahead and cut out neckline first. So I'm cutting out the facing for the neckline. This is for the back neckline. The right side will face each other. This is the front of the fabric and this is the front of the material that I cut out for the turnover. Now I've cut out the facing for the neckline, both for the front and back piece. So the next thing I'll do is to go to my sewing machine and sew it 1/2 inch round the neckline. I'll do the same. This is the front. I'll do the same thing to the back piece. After then I'll show you the next one. So guys, I've actually sewed through the neckline and I went ahead to fold it at the down part, the down part of the facing. I will notch the neckline round. Now the next thing I'll do is to place my fabric right side facing each other. Or if you have your hemming gum, you can as well use it and iron on it in order to overlap on the fabric. So I'll go ahead and place the right side facing each other. After placing it, I'll go ahead and join the neckline like so. I'll join the two neckline. After joining the two neckline, I will close it up the two sides as well. I'll go ahead and join it with 1 inch. Now I've joined it at the shoulder line and as well I joined the two sides. The next thing is to add to the down parts from the hemline. Now the first thing I'll do is to join these two pieces together. This is the right side of the fabric here. Right side will face each other and I'll go ahead and join it. I'll join it at this edge. After joining it, I have to plait it at this down part round. I'll plait it round to this hemline, after which I will tell you the next thing to do. Remember, while you are plaiting it, the right side should face each other. You can see. So guys, let me go and sew it. So now I've joined this together, the down part. So the next thing I'll do is to measure out this down part to enable me determine how the size of this when I'm plaiting, so that I will not plait it either excess or lesser than what I need. I'll go straight to measure out the length. I've measured 60. This is 79 inches for the down part. And I have, let me see what I have here. 60 times 2 give me 120. So I'm going to plait this to the size of 79 inches, let's say 80 inches, but by the time I will use 1/2 inch to close it up, it will not be 79. So I'm plaiting this. This is the length of 120, so I'm going to reduce it to 80 inches. Now I've joined the down flare. You can see the next thing that is left will be the sleeve, to fix the sleeve. I've already folded the down part of the sleeve, so I'll go ahead and insert my elastic to it. I'll just cut 9 inches. I'm cutting 9 inches for the elastic band. I'll cut it into 2 pieces. Make it 9 or 10 inches. Then I'll go ahead with my safety pin and insert it on this downside before I attach the sleeve to the main body of the dress. So now I've inserted my elastic on both of the sleeve, so I'll go ahead and secure it. I'll fold it into 2 and close it up. Then I'll attach it to my dress. After then, I'll show you the final look of the dress, and as well I will sew the belt. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see this is the front, while this is the back. I'll go ahead and attach my belt to it. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and keep watching for more styles. And bye until I see my next video.